Okay, so I'm either about to star in my own Fast and Furious, or just get roasted in the group chat. Let's weigh the options. I could outrun them. After all, my bike is basically a rocket with wheels. Congeal. Also, my mom would murder me. But what if I dodge through traffic like I'm in a video game? Okay, in real life, that's called becoming a cautionary tale. And let's be honest, do I really want my 15 minutes of fame to be Guy with bad decision-making skills? Ugh, but my ego says go for it. My brain is like, dude, you can't even outrun your own anxiety. Yeah, I'm pulling over. Morale of the story? Never let your inner Fast and Furious voice win.